Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
On a 2017 Honda Accord, the cabin air filter sits behind the glove box and is reachable without removing the entire dash. To access it, open the glove box, push in the sides to release the retaining stops, and let the box drop down. Then detach the single plastic dampener clip on the right side so the glove box fully lowers. This exposes the rectangular filter housing cover. The whole process typically takes about 10 minutes and requires no special tools for a standard replacement. With the glove box lowered, locate the rectangular filter housing cover and unclip the 4 tabs. Carefully pull the cover straight away from the housing. Slide the old filter out straight, taking care not to drop debris into the housing, and inspect it for leaves, dust, and pollen. If you see layers of dark buildup or packing material, it needs replacement. Note the airflow arrow molded on the filter frame so you can install the new filter in the correct direction, and expect a common aftermarket filter to cost around $5. Hold the new cabin air filter so the airflow arrow points inward toward the cabin and slide it fully into the housing until it seats flat. Ensure the pleats face the correct direction and there is no twisting. Replace the housing cover and press each tab until you hear a click, then lift the glove box back up, realign the stops, and reattach the single dampener clip to restore normal operation. Finally, run the blower on medium speed for a minute to confirm normal airflow, inspect for any rattles, and document the change date for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.